Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love. It is Caribana weekend. You know, it's Caribana day today. My first experience to see what Caribana is like. Cause them say it's one of the biggest carnival in the world. So I want to see for myself. You know, if it's bigger than Notting Hill Carnival, Trinidad Carnival, Jamaica Carnival. I want to know how big it is. So I am ready. So guys, right now I'm going to get the streetcar. I'm taking my time to get there. But it should be raining today. You know, hopefully it don't rain because right now I'm seeing sun, sky scale and everything. So hopefully no rain. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so hopefully no rain. So I'm looking for this experience. Trust me. I am ready. You know, I don't think Caribana are ready for me. But what the Kids Carnival is not even better than this carnival. Okay, the Kids Carnival is better. I'm like, oh come on, it's a shame. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. You know. Just so come on, Trinidad, let's do this. Don't make Canada beat you. Come on, Jamaica, let's do this. Don't make Canada surprise us. So I will tell you when I see it. So the Marbles is the biggest, so probably about 1 million people, roughly. I don't know. So, let's see. So I'm gonna get off this. Guys, you know, change nationality. I am representing for Guyana. I live down the road, Guyana. I can't believe I got a Guyana flag because no Jamaica flag. Yeah. But there's an address card down the road. Of course, 1995 down the road, around the roundabout.
I say Jamaica.
So represents my neighbor. So today I'm representing for Guyana. Right? Down the road. I live down the road in Guyana. That was a tricky one. So we're in Guyana. Down the road. That was tricky. Still have the young brain though. It's still young. It's kicking like she got me. So we're in Guyana. That says down the road. So there's nothing wrong. I'm representing. So you're gonna have some fun today.
We come from Georgetown.
You from Georgetown? All the way?
Yeah.
Just to come for this?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. You want to shake a leg? You're going to shake a leg today?
And to see family.
Okay. Wow. Is it your first time this? It's my first time
too. You want to show me around?
It's my first time too. Let me show you around. We're going to boat last. You know on that. You know, but it's my first time as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so you want to show me around?
I don't know.
We use GPS.
But those videos, and you got camera and all this thing.
Can we get in all of the fun today? We're not missing this. First time, right? Where's your flag?
Very quick, you got it.
See, give me her flag, miss.
Please look right for traffic when exiting.
So can I keep this one?
Yeah.
Thank you, I'm representing. Say wave your flag now.
Don't misrepresent.
No, you have to wave your flag, bro. Wave your flag. Wave it. We're starting it already here. You know? So, you still have the yellow and you still have the green. And the black. That's Jamaica, so nothing wrong. And the red, Rastafari thing, you know, so see the Rastafari color also representing.
Only yellow and green for Jamaica. Only yellow and green for Jamaica. I don't have black.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, there's black.
Yeah.
So just the red alone and the white.
Yeah.
No, not supposed to. Otherwise, like that's straight Jamaica right now.
The white is represent water.
Water white? Think water clear?
All the colors have to represent.
Me think water clear. Okay.
Water,
I'm
The
not ready.
Atlantic Ocean is there.
Okay. Hey, I'm going into the white ocean. Yeah, but the red of the blood, right?
There's and
The yellow of the what?
the gold.
The gold?
Yeah.
Oh, not gold again, right?
Oil too.
Oil too? Wow. Some can come over there, can be some mining.
Yes. We
Wicked.
beam in now. Be the forest. Caribbean country.
Where can I get the gold
like
out?
that.
Where can I get the gold out of the country like that, right?
Well, you gotta figure out.
I have to find the links with the pilot.
You can swallow it.
Really? How much should I take a swallow?
And when you're traveling on the plane,
That's too much weight. Come on, swallow that fat load.
you're gonna die.
You know, you see, I'm pulling gold. That would have been nice. I need to come Guyana though. You know, ever been to Jamaica?
No.
Okay, so I definitely. You visit my country, I visit your country.
Well, let me go to Jamaica first.
Alright, then let me go to Guyana next.
Yes.
And so what's best.
Yes.
You know? Feeling it. So since she's a good loving lady, I guess Guyana is represent for that, right?
Yeah.
She said yes too? Alright, so there's a true Jamaica with the cross, we hang there over
You
there.
don't like that.
How about that?
Breaks it up.
Is that boss?
Breaks it
Alright
up.
guys, so they have some fun, so we're gonna edit now, so.
Breaks it up. It breaks it up.
Guyana.
Pedestrian crossing.
Bless.
I made this with they say I told you where I come from. Everything from WhatsApp.
Okay.
Listen, yeah.
Jonestown. Big up.
This every time.
Yeah, yes, big up. Guys, yo, I'm not even lying. The train station, it is packed with so many people going to the carnival. Literally, it is well packed. Like, I literally have to form one long line. Long line. Come here. Go on. You have to be rushing the streetcars. Oh no. You guys go down. So guys, I'm reporting live from the Caribana. Guys, look at the line. And we have Feminine in the building. We have Feminine in the building. And everyone is out. Yeah, so guys, Christmas list is down here as well. I'm just gonna party, you know, enjoy myself. You see the guys, them tell me to take a rain, but them trick us. Not gonna rain, all I see is overcast. You know?
It's too hot.
It's too hot. It's too hot. So everyone is out.
Yes, it is. The solutions is somewhere over there.
Yeah?
I think we have to cross over to that side.
Huh?
Hold on. Wait till we get down here. Oh, wow.
Caribana crowd is out. They're out. The Caribana crowd is out.
That was Mikey for a second there.
This is really the carnival. Carnival just started. Carnival just started. Bling bling.
So this is the exhibition right here.
So guys, over here is the Canadian Exhibition Center,
Also known as CNE.
known as CNA. So over there is where the floor stem is, right?
Some of them, yeah.
Some of them. Oh, them again. Hello. Hello.
Oh, sorry. No problem. You don't know me, but we know you. Sorry.
Sorry, boss. Sorry.
You don't know me.
Big up. Hello.
I'm tracking, but I didn't have to look. I just have to step right in and I just start passing. Yeah, I've been following you for years.
Wow,
And today I'm only here because I said I have a 1% chance that I'll run into him.
Really?
Here he is. I saw you the last time with these brothers here, and I said I am standing right here.
Those ones.
Well, whatever. And I stand right here, and here he is. Hi.
The 1% effort that is strong faith.
Yes, that's
Out of
faith.
so many people that's here, and she had that faith. So yo, she's gonna stick around.
Messy. And I wasn't shy for the camera at all. I was right into it.
Wow, thank you so much.
I'm right close to you, bro.
Yeah.
Many times I called you the last time you were here, and the next time you were right next to me at Trinity Commons. So when you walk in the rock saying this is a huge mall, him and I always laughing.
Yeah.
He's right next to us. I was telling him when you walk in the rock saying it's a huge
I also
mall.
want this.
Yeah.
You know, yes, man.
It feel like I know you.
And you're watching me. Yeah.
I watch you guys. I watch you from what's your name? Cranberry, the whole work. Man, it's like you're my brother.
I am your brother, man. It's not live. I am your brother.
So I tell him anytime we go to Jamaica, we got Frank.
And I said to myself, I'm gonna see Kino down here today.
That's what we hear.
That is strong faith.
1% mustard seed.
It's upping. Thank you so much, man.
No, I see Kino in live. Who are you? I didn't.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah, man.
Very good thing. One day we'll be to Trench Town.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
Color, man.
Live and living colors, man. The faith work out.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
So
man.
why people must have faith and
I
believe.
knew I was gonna see you.
See that?
I knew I said I'm gonna see Kino down here.
Yeah,
I'm
he was
happy.
standing there and I'm telling the brothers, he passed right here the last time he was on your live.
Yeah. But it was the Kiddies Carnival the last time.
You went to Scarborough.
Carnival, and
Yeah.
I saw you at Malton.
Yeah.
Malton, I didn't go there, but I was watching it because I'm not too far from Malton as well. So I see
Yeah.
how thing.
Oh, wow.
And I already mentioned you're gonna be down here.
Yeah. Of course, I have to be here, man. No thing though.
And he's really tall. He made me feel like a little.
It's the shoes.
He only said
Come on.
It's the shoes. The shoes have inches.
Thank you.
Get that.
I did my dues. Now I can go back home.
You can go back. Oh, see? Good shot.
Yes.
She said no, she can go back home. She got what she came for.
I found the man I was looking for.
Oh,
In one kino.
Yeah.
One kino.
So you see in life when you find what you're looking for, life complete. So life complete.
Juliet, I found him.
Hey, Juliet, big up yourself, Juliet. Thank you so much. Yeah. General.
Yes, Kino.
Big up, yeah.
Nice Kino, man. Now I see Kino.
Yeah.
One good, alright.
Yeah, yes, man, I will. I will. All right. Yes, guys, you know, it's always nice when you meet your subscribers, you know. So the woman said, our duty, that is it, it's complete. So that was the mission why she come here to seek, you know. And she was, and the man said, yes, he's gonna see me, definitely. Big up the popo them. Big up my general, keeping the peace. Hello.
Hi.
Keeping the peace. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Keeping the peace. Go for a break. Let's go. Food for a minute, okay? Yes, guys. Look at this crowd. They're out.
This is a big one, eh?
Yeah.
Compared to the
Kiddies one.
Yeah.
Have a little one like you.
No,
Yeah.
I'm talking about the thing here.
Yeah, the kiddies one.
Nowadays, eh?
This is the big thing.
The big one, yes.
Yeah, this is what the big boys is, guys.
Everything.
Yeah. Hello. Alright. Yeah, man. Yes, man, I met you.
Nice, good.
Who are you representing for?
Grenada.
Grenada. Alright, big up, big up.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
Watch you though.
Alright,
You're doing good. Continue the good job.
Alright, thanks, Follow the leader, follow the leader. Well, I'm not even lying. This carnival is lit. Woo! What is this?
You can put your keys on and your whistle.
You got my whistle? You got no whistle? Which country you from? Big up. I love Trinidad. I'm coming back. St. Martin. See, I know the place. Doubles. Vibes is nice. So right now I'm searching for the Jamaican float. You know, I'm gonna be looking for the Jamaican float to see where it is. You know, so I'm just strolling through, rolling through. We're gonna party hard, party hard, party hard. Yeah, man, we're flowing through. Caribana experience. Guys, look at this crowd. Look. Imagine rolling through the VIP. You know, imagine walking and the VIP gate just open just like that. You know, imagine if I were meant to meet the guy that's gonna give us a ticket and we're walking and the gate just open right in front of us just like that. And we just enter.
People like, I don't know.
One thing, you know, Jamaica colors always enough everywhere in the world. Little but to Talawa. Colors them always enough. You're gonna party, 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 party. We're gonna party, party. On the bus. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Carnival, right?
Yeah.
Oh, pleasure and honor to meet you, man. I was watching your videos with my grandmother.
Okay.
Man, you're a big YouTuber. I appreciate your work. Man, you're good though. You keep up the good work.
Yeah, man,
you're gonna reach far.
Yeah, man. God bless you, man.
It's my pleasure and honor. My name is Marcus, by the way.
Shout out.
My name is 6Walks. You can find me on Instagram, 6Walks6, and on YouTube, I'm 6Walks. I appreciate you guys. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. One love, you know.
Big up.
Do you know where Christmas this is?
He's somewhere here.
Somewhere here?
Yes, I don't know.
Keep
where.
looking, right?
I'm gonna contact him very soon.
Okay. It'd be good if I could keep in touch with you, you know? But we could link up sometime, you know?
Yeah.
Is it okay if I get your number or something?
Yeah.
Instagram?
Yeah, man, big up. Watch your van. Hello. I'm good. How you doing?
I watch you all the time.
Yeah, man, no
Can I get a
problem.
picture with you?
Yeah. Come on, do a selfie.
Respect, bro.
Oh my goodness, look at that, eh? Say hi to Cranberry and then.
I will. Guys, this body is lit. So guys, this is the VIP. Yeah, this is the VIP stretch, go all the way down. It's a very long walk down. keep moving forward to see what we can see, but still cannot find the Jamaican truck. So I'm wondering if it's gone already. Maybe it's still not gone as yet. I don't know. But let me go see who are these. Let me see. Watch your walk. Who are these? Hey, Rastafari. Rasta. Hey, Rastafari. So we're the Rasta them. We are the Rasta walk. Rastafari. Why them have on? Why they have arms? Yeah, Akeynote. You see the camera? Yeah. Who are you representing?
St. Vincent.
St. Vincent in the building. Don't be shy. She ain't gonna be shy. One more Akeynote subscribers. Oh, from St. Vincent.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Big up. I have to come there one day for sure.
For sure.
Say hello.
Hi.
Is that your daughter?
My daughter, yeah.
Okay.
She know you well. We watch you all the time.
Watch me all the
She
time?
always put you up for grandma.
Oh. Where's
Grandma will be like, put on Akeynote for me.
Yeah, what's grandma's name?
Ina, but she's somewhere here.
Oh, Ina. Say,
Hey, Ina, we met Ina.
yeah. Ina, I met the other family.
And would I?
Yes, right. So big up yourself, Ina, watching in the living room right now. In the living room.
Yes,
right?
yes.
In the living room. Right? In the living room. Right? In the living room. Alright, take care, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah. Living room. Look on this boss up here, yeah. Hello. Say hi for the camera.
We're leaving town.
One little lie. You know what I mean?
Start clear up the truck. We're moving forward. Everybody lean off of the truck. We're getting ready to move. Somebody singing.
guys, still haven't found the Jamaica truck. I still haven't found the Jamaica truck as yet. I'm still searching. I'm still searching. Eh? Yeah. Big up, big up. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Big up. What's that they eating?
You know, I cook up, my friend bring it from home and like
This Chinese, number one dish cook up. You want to try some?
Cook up, he's selling it?
no,
Okay.
we just bring it in a container.
Oh, so this is Guyanese food.
Guyanese food.
What they used to cook that?
It's a mix of beans, rice, and you could put any meat, anything you want.
Okay.
Cook up, so meaning you could drop anything you want. It's a combination of like we're a bunch of mixed, like different culture.
Yeah.
Put all in one.
Big up, big up.
Yeah.
Big up, big up.
You could put any meat, anything you like.
Oh, I'm a pescatarian. I don't eat meat still.
So it has meat inside.
Oh,
It has meat.
no, I don't eat meat.
But it's nice. It's my first time.
But there's a vegetarian version where you
Yeah.
cook a lot of with vegetable and beans.
Okay, okay.
And you season too well and you cook it down.
Yeah. Okay. It looks good though. One without the meat will look wicked.
Yeah, man.
It's black beans. There's the beans called black eye, the red beans, any beans you can put.
Yeah.
Vegetable, spinach, you put everything.
General. Pick up and respect, yeah? Every time. My brother. Hold on. K-I-N-O.
Respect, yeah.
Yeah, man. Pick up. And the chef this?
I am the chef.
Oh, the chef.
This is cook-up rice.
Yes, but it look nice.
Yes, it is very tasty.
Yeah, you from Guyana?
I'm from Guyana.
You were born there?
I was born in Guyana,
Okay.
Wakenham Island. It's in the Essequibo River.
Oh, so you grew up with your mommy?
Yes, mom and dad and my brother. This is my
Okay.
brother.
So them vegetable cook, right?
Yes.
Oh. Let me take it.
Take a picture. Thank you, guys. You're from Vevo.
Yeah. So it's Keen Alive in Jamaica, right? Fire man. Alright, yeah man. Big up, yeah? Jamaica spaghetti.
Concrete drums.
So we have for the menu today.
Axia, corridor, jerk chicken, jerk pork, bread food, festival, fried chicken, barbecue fry, and soup, rice and beans,
No fish?
fish to them.
General. Good. Yeah man. Cool man. Big up.
Second time this again.
It's a good blessing.
Yeah, we work your yard already.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's the yard? Mandeville.
Yeah.
Oh, on the...
You go for one event up there. I'm going to see you on the roadside.
On the roadside, yeah.
Some jelly.
Yeah. cool man, big up.
You watch you on Christmas this, you know.
Yeah.
You know you come up from a place where they Scarborough.
Eh?
And the kids Caribana.
Yeah.
Yeah, me just across the street from where you're coming.
I was there when day before yesterday again.
Yeah.
Pass through again, man, you know.
Really, man.
Say I'll come to eat and now.
Oh, you don't have a fight.
But the line is long.
Yeah, you have to find your thing that you need.
Last time I get a VIP check-in. You know, there is a long line for getting any type of food at all. The line is so long. So you know.
You know life in Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
Andre and Yoshman will pick up in Brampton.
Okay. Cool now, big up. Thing good. Cool now, man. Big up yourself. Yeah. I wish spot this here, so.
Just chilling right here.
Okay. How was it? Alright, man. Alright. Yeah. Every day I'm gonna pass you want something to eat, you know. Hello, Julian. Wagwan. Camera there, you know.
Listen, I watch this guy day and night. My husband, oh my God, Kino.
My husband, see, you know.
See me.
Big up. One new man. Yeah. Boy, me I tell you, one new man could never all one.
Mr. You know what? Mr. Kino do this, Kino do they Caribana. I'm talking as if
you're there.
Oh my God.
Come can't hear.
Nice to meet you, man.
Same. How would them have a beat?
Finally, eh?
Yeah, but I'm my thing there, so I'm looking for something to eat.
Only fun.
Yeah, some long line, brother. Some long line, I see. Man, you know everything go. Alright, then take care, yeah? Yes, I. Oh. Let them know. Yeah. Alright guys, so I have to decide to just join a line because there's no going around it. The lines are long. So right now I'm second for this line and just work with Cheryl's authentic Caribbean cuisine. So that's what I'm gonna try right now. Right, but now I couldn't wait for the line to get anything. So I have to get some veggie patty, cut the line short. I have to cut the line short because that was really raw. Nah, line. Right here. Good to meet you, man. Good to meet you.
Jamaica. You're vlogging in Brampton, you know what I'm saying? You're not too far from us.
Thank you so much, yeah? Alright. Big up. Yeah? Alright, cool. But I'm telling you, I really enjoy this Carnival. It's really, I really enjoyed it. I'm not lying. I really do. It's nice. It's very big. You know? It's very big. Guys, so we'll finally find the Jamaican float right here.
Hold on. Ladies, I asked this earlier. If you bought your home? Are you going home? Ladies, are you ever gonna go back to your ex-boyfriend? Ladies, are you single and independent? If you're single and independent, sing that song here.
Big up.
Guys, crazy slap of military. Cross through creators, Lord. You ready?
Yeah, it's chilling that girl. Head chip a while ago.
No, I wonder.
Oh.
No beer, no water. No Magnum. Beer, water. Don't want to look at support me back. Watch your daily, you know.
Watch me daily.
Daily, man. I know I think cool, man.
Cool, man.
Come on. Rum punch, Magnum.
Magnum.
Black Stallion. Honey pop girl.
Black Stallion?
Yeah, man.
So it's not a natural juice?
No, that me not care. Juice are heavy.
Heineken, Dragon, Corona.
Corona time I gone already?
Man, beer them, man. They never stop.
Bad starters.
I bad YouTuber, man. You know
YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I mean, big up yourself.
You know, lifestyle, man. You know that, man.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna cap.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that makes sense, they cap.
Because I dog them will tune into and so I go and down there, you know, Gisselberg and them youth there.
Yeah.
Oh, Gisselberg.
Gisselberg, them youth are keen on lifestyle. Yeah. When I tie dog apart on the African cattle farm. Yeah.
From Kenya?
Yeah.
So water?
Works. You know, it all works, man.
Water there.
All works, man.
You know the thing, girl. Go and pick up yourself, right?
Tune into and so I go and down.
See them and pick up yourself, man.
Tough man, I hear that one word. Crazy. Canada yard. Bad.
Ah, oh. Yard and abroad. Fireman. Yeah. Oh.
I agree.
Hi, how are you?
5-piece chicken tender.
Alive. 5 piece?
5 running road boy.
Get all the big foot on them thing there.
Alright, but you what? When I eat chicken? Jar. A shot. Hello. To the right place. When you Sham? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm an auntie. Big up.
Yeah, we are going, alright?
Greenwich Farm?
Greenwich Farm we come from.
Okay.
99th Street. One Muscal.
Alright, every time.
One Matty.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this girl, what you have for me?
No, we have no jerk chicken. No, you not eat this. You not eat chicken. You not eat meat.
You not eat meat.
You not eat meat.
She know what I go on. No, Mr. She know what I go on.
Donate man to cheese.
Okay.
Back in the day.
Back in the day,
Chips, right.
Yeah, she did.
Alright, but just the Christmas is gone down there, sir.
I say I'm gone.
Yeah, I'm gone. A good while now.
Alright, so yeah. Sorry. Jerk chicken, jerk pork. Yes, fire. So this is the street. This is the street vending. Like, so this is on the street side cooking while I go on right now. Right here on the street. You know? Step into the streets. So you see me, I got more food choice out here if I did need food. If I did need more food, I could have literally come out here. You know, Yard man menu. Rasta thing.
Remember I was taking the phone?
See all the Rasta.
She took it because I told her she left it with me. And I was taking it. Okay. And I walked. Does she have it?
No, it's the Rasta spot.
And I walked the pocket right.
Electrolyte, magnesium, calcium.
Yeah. So she lost her phone. She can't find it. Remember it was on the table? Yes. And I was gonna take it? Yes. And she came? Yeah. And she took it?
You get a can food. Rasta man. Fireman, to get one of your can food in the place.
Yes, please. Right here.
Are you paid here?
How many in here?
Just one.
One. That sugar cane over there.
Just once. Yeah, just find a Rasta spot.
Okay, great.
You have the menu. You have the can food.
Sorry?
Is this you have to order from here?
The can
Oh, I didn't know. Quite how it was.
roast can, combo, curry chunks.
Yeah, just go right there. And then
Hello, let me get one small can soup, please. Drama at the carnival, guys. Drama. Drama.
I love you. I love your YouTube. This is Quincy Brown. She's also on YouTube.
Well, look at my handful.
Oh, just big up. Don't have to touch this, grab him. Can I get a video with you and her? Her name is Quincy Brown. She's on YouTube. She just done her YouTube. She's from Jamaica. This is her first time in Caribana. I said I want to see Kino. Look at that, see Kino.
This is Kino.
He's probably.
A
lot of people bought you today.
Well, I see some. I see a lot.
See a lot? You saw a lot? Well, sorry, my name's Latanya. This is Quincy Brown.
Hello, Quincy Brown.
I'm from Jamaica.
From Jamaica.
From Jamaica?
Yeah.
With the accent there?
3 months up now, I'm up here.
You up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm living up here now.
Okay. Alright then. So,
I want to say hi to Kino. I met Kino. Big
Okay, we're big up Kino.
alright, come see them and see camera. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself. What is it?
Big up, Pepe, big up.
Hey Kino. I'm Quincy Brown. YouTube. You can find me on Instagram. Quincy Brown. So Kino.
Yeah.
I like you and I like the thing what you're doing over here, man. He's a boss. You sell off. Everything good with you.
Yeah.
And I want you also big me up too.
What about you? You
No,
enjoy?
I'm not a YouTuber. She's the star, not me. I'm just videoing her.
So one is the star, one is the moon. Right? So you're the star.
She's the star, I'm the
And
moon.
you're the
I'm just,
moon.
I'm the one with the camera, videoing her here in Caribana.
Yeah.
And I book up on Kino.
Yeah.
Kino is, you're doing big things in Jamaica. I love it.
Yeah, man.
I've been watching from way back, but I recently started watching you. I subscribed to your channel, and you're doing great things. I've been trying to catch up on what you've had in the past.
There's a lot.
There's a lot, right? And there's a lot for me to catch up on, but I'm glad I saw you in Caribana.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, wait, I want to see Kino. And look, I bought Super the Corn Man, and look, I see Kino.
Exactly. You're like the second person who said that.
Yes.
And it happened.
And it happened. Look, I get to see Kino.
Look, see that?
Kino! Yes! Kino!
Everybody make me look so tall.
Yeah, because I'm short. I'm only 5'3".
Exactly. And me young girl wear the shoes with the inches them, so that's why I look so tall. Tall. Come here, Punsi.
Right? Come big up your channel too, Punsi.
Come on the side.
Come, big up your channel.
So tell them where I tell them Punsi.
Yo, me I big up my channel. Punty Brown. So I want you to follow and do everything. Subscribe for it. Like, subscribe and everything.
Big up Kino.
Big up Kino. Kino the boss.
No
Them man a long
no
time in the veteran in the business.
Family, no boss.
Family, you know, veteran in the business long time, but just a start, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna get there.
Big up
Punty Brown.
Punty Brown.
Puncy Brown
Puncy Brown.
on YouTube. Check it out. She just started. Check it out, guys. You'll have fun.
Punty Brown, but them say she black. But you don't care about that. You know what they are saying we.
Yes, 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 yes.
big up, big
Kino,
up, big
you
up.
are a bump. No, wait. You want a video with Kino? Quickly, Marty. You have to say something.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Man, y'all dress all fashionable, Movado, bling. Tell them your channel.
It's your boy Kino Life in Jamaica, and I'm having a great time here, Caribana. Love it, you know, I love it. Kino Life in Jamaica. Yeah, listen, they told me.
Wait a second. Yes.
Chris.
Christmas list.
Yes.
Yes, man. Big
Yeah.
Thank you.
Chris, you're very famous, man. Imagine I went to the soup spot over there, and the lady said, Chris just went that way, because we walk all the way around there.
These people are not there.
You know, and I'm here.
So you having a good time?
Yeah, man.
Life is good, man. What can I say?
Good, man. So what's happening now? Is it finished now or what?
Nah, 8 o'clock, then we party.
Where?
Party after a party.
Yeah? Big show. We're partying.
Party's here, bro.
Yeah? All right. Right here.
You just reached?
No, I've been here from what time? Just after 1. So guys, we have Christmas list in the building.
JR.
And
JR. West End Views.
Oh.
Yeah.
But Chris, I really love the energy down here. I like it. Big, you know, I never expect it so big. Yeah. I think it's bigger than Trinidad. You know what? I know.
I think it's the biggest in the world.
Wait. Let me keep my mouth shut, guys.
No, it's the truth.
Is it true?
In Trinidad, you have Trinis.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, you got Jamaicans. Everybody. In Brazil, you got Brazilians.
Yeah.
In Toronto, we have everybody.
Okay.
Every country is here.
Because I would have said yes, it's bigger than literally Trinidad
I
Carnival.
think it's the biggest in the world.
And even Notting Hill Carnival in London. You know? Jamaica, sorry, you know, but Canada lead. You know? Where you say Canada?
Canada, bro. The biggest. Toronto, not Canada. Toronto, for real. The biggest
Toronto.
in the world.
You know?
In the world.
What can I say? You know? I'm against the odds, but yeah. I like it. Go on, go going. Off on the ground. What? Disrespect. Watch out. Big disrespect. Off on the ground.
Pick it off the ground. I told the man to save that. You can't leave a flag on the ground. If it's dropped there, you got to pick it up and wear it.
Of course, no man.
Pick that up. What do you mean?
So the person who drop this not come from this universe.
Yeah.
They're not from this universe. Anybody drop the flag, they're not from this universe. You know, but it's in good use. It is in good use. So yes, guys, as you can see, we're gonna party hard. Guys, so basically now everything is kind of, the float is finished now, the carnival is closed off, so anybody is just heading out into that direction, you know, to go finish party wherever the party is, you know, so everyone's heading out right now. So this is where it's going to get hectic leaving this place here. everyone is moving, everyone is leaving now, so I'm following the crowd. I'm literally going to head to a backyard barbecue, you know. Yeah, one of my subscribers, which is you guys see feminine, you know, feminine parents is having a barbecue, a backyard barbecue, and that's where I'm going to head to right now. You know, so follow me on that journey here. Well, trust me, I know Toronto now. I know. So the worst part when this finish and the crowd,
Yo, I'm not gonna lie.
the crowd is thick, the amount of people that is literally leaving right now, like it's outrageous. You know? Look at the crowd. A lot of people there, you know.
Why you give me the mic, bro? How the fuck you give me the mic? Yo, we have wrestlings. We got wrestlings. We have Caribana. We have Case Grace. We have Vevo. So we're gonna see how we run the music themselves. Let's go. Alright. Let's go.
Avenue.
Excuse me, where are you short term?
Alright, guys.
The train from here. The train. Subway. We are over so now I'm on the subway. I still have a little journey to go, you know, but I'm going there. I'm going to make it slow, so at least I'm going to get there. At least, you know, keep stretching my legs, you know, stretch them.
Doors will open on the left.
Yeah, yourself a shout out, you know, guys. So where exactly are we now?
We're in Toronto. You know, this is Dixon right here, you know.
Yes, I mean
Dixon right here.
This is the block.
This is exclusive right here.
Yeah.
This one of his tracks too.
Okay. So that's another artist.
Yeah. Shot 50 bands on the come up, you know.
Yeah. So what's your artist name where they can check you out?
Shot 50 bands on YouTube.
Yeah. IG.
Shot 50 bands __.
Yeah. Then we have a lot of Caribbean people watch this as well, you know. So you have to give them the spelling and the name just in case so them don't know the.
So Shams, the Z, the 50 bands, 2Z. Underscore.
Just spell it out for them.
So SHMZ 50 BN
BANDZZ underscore.
You can go and check out his music. Shan 50 band, you know. It's a Rasta man thing in the van.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Rasta guys, so we're there block right now, you know.
Block right now.
Yeah, it's a block, trust me. Really shocky. Look guys, so we just reached, so we're gonna step in the barbecue here. So somebody said the artist and they also watch my vlog as well too, you know. So we're here on the block, you know, so it's calm and everything. And so one time this place was heated, but now it's good. It's good. So once it's good, we are good. And we're good. Oh, go on, the man is. Hello. Yes, so the man is himself. Finally,
brother.
Finally.
Long time with you.
Yeah, cool one. Man has been doing. Hello. How you doing?
Oh, that's Kino?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the light.
You're so much taller. I was just like, wait a minute. I know I saw you before, at least once. I met you once, but
yeah.
It was because it was one time, so I guess I didn't remember. Okay, wait, pick up some.
I'm watching every day. Who that?
Who's that?
Oh, go on. High five. How you doing? Remember me? Eh, come. Say hello to the camera. The camera here. Hi. You always watch my guys. You know? Say hello. Say subscribe. What's my name? What's my name? No, I go on, man. Yeah, man, cool, man. Because we got the carnival, I'm saying I have to pass through the barbecue.
Yeah, man. We're not going away now. We're just hanging out the weekend time and just barbecue and we just skip back. And I'm free with that.
Okay.
That's all old people do.
Let's make our own vibes, right? I have to create the vibes, you know. I can't go mix up with these young youths anymore because them keep on a fight them one and for no reason. Leave them fight them, I don't know why them a fight for boy, but
what are the system doing?
Yeah.
Alright, you see in Canada right now.
Yeah.
Like we as my entire communal society, you can't discipline a kid.
Yeah.
If you discipline your kid, you can end up in jail, you know.
That's true.
See what I deal with?
Yeah.
So that means you can't control them. You can't discipline them, you can't
control them. No.
You understand?
And I like, I don't know certain things feel.
You know the things that you have to say this.
Yeah.
Alright, I read this.
No, I really
have to try him up sometimes and shake him up.
Yeah.
No matter what you say.
You have to make them feel it sometime.
I just want to find you can't feel.
Exactly. Kitchen smells good. The kitchen smells good. Hello.
Yeah, man.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, man. I have some stuff up on the grill outside.
Okay. Stuff on the grill and thing.
Yeah, man. Oh, you meet Charlie, this one of my daughter too?
Yeah, just say hello.
My hands are dirty.
There you go.
That's my niece.
Hello, Nisi.
That's what we call her too.
Nisi? Okay.
Her name is Janice. My daughter, boyfriend.
Okay.
And my granddaughter.
Big up.
She's a Chantel niece and nephew.
Okay. Hello. And this now is I watch Kino life in Jamaica and
all the time.
So finally we get a chance to meet,
Yeah, man.
Because I always meet feminine.
Yeah.
I wanna meet Una alone.
Yeah, man. Got the work thing most of the time.
Yeah.
When you come here, I already got to work maybe 2 o'clock. I mean, I reach up to like 12, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, man.
Let me tell you something, man. I jump around my barn, you know.
When?
Jump Crescent, my barn.
Jump Crescent.
My barn, I jump Crescent on Maxwell Avenue.
Okay.
Yeah, I grew up down at 2 man on Union Garden.
Okay.
Yeah,
Close by.
Yeah,
see, they don't know to get the life go already, man.
You see, I see you, man. Now, what am I being mad at?
come up phase 2.
Phase 2. Yeah.
Before you go across the line.
Near the gully. Near the bridge.
Yeah. When you come down the street, say come out Spice Town and you come down.
Okay.
You have to center on the right side, on the front.
Yeah.
Center, I'll walk with the right. So
Yeah.
when you go in a deep corner there.
You know by your time, man.
Yeah,
by your time, man.
Yeah, man.
Early time that night, early days.
Yeah, man. Cause I come in 1990. They are 36 years now.
Wow. Yeah. Long time, man.
Yeah, man.
So you built Toronto and Canada. Are you built Canada overall?
Yeah, man.
A lot of
kids at the bar. When we have 3 kids at Jamaica before I come. We have a daughter that live at CB. She live at Alabama now.
Okay.
So we have 10 kids.
Yeah.
5 boy, 5 girl.
Yeah.
And 16 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So that means you've been there, man. Your foundation, man.
She had the last. She had the other boy. Them are twin.
Yeah.
Them are the last one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they get twin.
Yeah. She had, and you wanna come pick up Chantel?
Yeah.
She and him are twin.
Okay.
Them
Is that your family or your wife family?
No, twin and family, you know.
Okay, so
my daughter live at Carnival. She have 2 sets of twin.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So it's in the family.
Yeah, man. And some never claim have twin in my family.
Yeah. I'm say I'm honored to be here, you know, because I'm say a long time I don't want to link, and it could have happened the last time. I'm say no, they're gonna make it happen.
It's a blessing, man.
I'm gonna make it happen. I'm here, you know, in the full color. So no more TV. Make sure that you take the time with us. I'm coming through. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I know the bigger ones.
Yes.
Bigger sis. Oh, so how much I get?
10 kids coming out.
What? You're a fireman.
5 boy, 5 girl, and 16 grand.
What? No, sir, you need a title.
Yeah, man.
They are going,
man. Yeah, man.
And you see that them keep you going. You see me? Them keep you going. You know?
My kids are roll, man.
Yeah.
New York, anyway, I'm here on my road.
Of course.
Anyway, I go on my road.
That is your team.
Yeah, man.
That is the team. So when they keep anything, the team is here already.
We not left them.
Yes.
Yeah,
man. Cool, man. Inspiring to the world, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So we're up on the house. Let me say we're there, we're going to look for phone, you know. Alright, so this is the wife, you know. Don't tell me what I want. It's feminine, mommy. Alright.
This is the mac and cheese.
Yeah. No rasta pasta.
No, we did that yesterday.
Okay.
And this is the lasagna.
Oh.
It's a meat lasagna though, so
Yeah.
you can't have it. I didn't do the veggie one because I want to try it first before I actually make it.
That is the right thing. Dance you have before you dance.
Exactly.
You know?
And
good old festival then, yeah?
yes.
Roll up dumpling.
And then we put more chicken on this. This is the oven baked jerk chicken.
Okay, jerk chicken, oven baked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Roast up on the grill.
Rice and
Bumper pizza rice. What is this? Bumper pizza rice.
Yes.
I have the roast snapper just coming off the grill. So I put them on go and stay cool and chill.
Okra with callaloo in it.
What? That sounds like my middle name. That sounds like my middle name. Oh.
This is one of them.
That's ready.
Yes.
That sounds like my middle name.
Yeah, that was yesterday. We were here picking up a storm yesterday also.
So is that every weekend thing gonna go on with?
Almost. It's summer, yes. We have one more before summer done.
One more?
Yes.
Which is it, next weekend?
Weekend after. No, like 2 weeks.
Okay, so that one that gonna miss me.
Yes.
We don't party and club on them places.
Yeah, that's
We just work at home.
Yeah.
And spend time with my kids and keep back. They've been back to them friends now, you know?
Yeah.
Because them friends them have respect, so
yes,
once them have respect, them can come.
Yes, all welcome.
All welcome.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So I'm blessing there, man.
Of course, because I like the welcome.
Yeah,
they say, yo, make Akeynote come on foot. Yeah. Guys, last time I was here, I never get to meet them. You know, but no one come back, I have to come and meet them. You know, because they're a loyal viewer of the program. Yeah. One of the 19. One out of the 19. So anything, so I just go and chill and go and well vibes with the family, you know, and go anything. So bless and love. So I'm glad I could have make it, and we're here, and we're going well vibe, you know. So you watch what I go on. Peace.
Fellas outside. That's my nephew.
Nephew too.
Yeah.
Come in with the boy bar.
That's
Some coming, you know?
Oh, she's still. You got 4 more?
Sing Baba.
Kino, me tell a lady about your man. She said, when came, I said, Kino. She said, before life. Yo, I'm never there, waving. I was from Jamaica, Kino.
Oh, never did. Every time, man. Yes, man. Every time, man. Every time, man. Every time. Follow me.
Yes.
Thank you so much to follow me.
Yeah, man.
How far you been following me from?
No, I watch you.
YouTube. Yeah.
I watch you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man, for watching. Alright? Thank you so much. So now I'm here in person. You know?
Now I see.
Now you see. The same Kino, you know? Our general back in the house. Baby love. Are you baby love?
Yeah, man.
I mean, baby love. So nice to meet you, baby love. So you see, niece mom. Nice to meet you, niece mom. Niece mom. Yes, yeah, it's a good vibe. It's a family vibe, and I'm here, so I feel honored, you know, to be here too. Best of luck. There's so much we meet already today, and we continue meeting more. Solo. Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Carrier Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.